Hi, I'm Mike Bacon with Ethan Allen. I'm the Director of Retail Systems. A little bit about Ethan Allen. This is a furniture company that has been located in Danbury, Connecticut. We have manufacturing in the United States and Mexico, Honduras. We have 150 company-owned stores located throughout the United States and Canada. Some of the other things that we're doing on the IT front is security awareness and protection. Within Ethan Allen, the cybersecurity challenges are, as you would imagine, enormous, especially in the retail world, where we have retail turnover that we have to deal with on a fairly frequent basis. So we need tools to be able to educate new users when they come in, to ensure that they understand all the applications and how to use their email system and how to be safe in all things cyber. The bad actors, they are out there, they are smart, and there's a lot of them. And we looked at a number of solutions. Eventually, Proofpoint rose to the top, and that's who is doing our email protection. What I like about the Proofpoint solutions is the integration. I really like the fact that you can bring everything into one umbrella. So now we've got the protection, we've got the education, and we've got the simulated phish that we can all pull together. The metrics will help us better protect our environment. We also wanted somebody who had a broad landscape of users, a wide variety of users, because we feel like we can take advantage of that. It helps us out in the long run. It takes us from a place where we're not so good to a place where we're going to be very well protected. And that's kind of what we're looking for.